Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to completely factory reset your Alexa Echo Show. Remember, when you factory reset the Alexa, then your data, your Wi-Fi connection and your sign up will be deleted. Okay, so to reset, here go to the scroll down and here go to the settings and here scroll down and here click on device options and here scroll down and here click on reset to factory defaults and here click on reset to factory defaults and here reset. So here you can see the Alexa is restart. Here you can see the Amazon is logo. So it will take some time to reset, so just wait for a few minutes. So here you can see the Alexa is getting ready. So this is how you can completely reset your Alexa. So in the next video I will show you how to set up the Alexa. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.